So coming here today on this 79 Buick Limited, and what it is that I gotta take this chrome off of here. This tail light is cracked up, so the other one is I bought another tail light. It's got some damage, but it's the best that I could find, so I'm gonna have to switch this one over here. Alright, so this other one, it's got some heat damage up in here, but that's not bad. But the thing about this one is, it is cracked around in here, but this is the best I could find. So, but all of this is it's peeling and cracking here. So I'm gonna switch these over from one to the other. So first off, I just want to come in and pull all of these off out of here. Yeah, up there. Alright guys, this thing was trying to strip out the bolts using the cordless impact there. So I see it's best just to at least get these broke loose by taking them loose by hands. Alright, so we've got a 6mm on there. It was a 1/4 on there before. Take this 6mm and see if I can this won't break loose. And I swear, I don't care. It just seems like it's always stubborn nut, one stubborn bolt. That just will not come off. Never fails. Ain't gonna come off of here. Okay, so on this one here, the whole clip is turning. Let's see if I can broken clip in there. Alright, so I got my safety shield on, and I'm actually going to come in here . Take my time. That's what I'm gonna do, guys, is grind those off of there. This last one, hopefully it'll break loose. Fun. Here I got a plastic welder that I could. Now the other one, this ain't the one I'm using, so I'm gonna try to be a little careful because there's only one on the other one that's messed up. But either I can use the plastic welder to build these areas back up and then drill them out because this won't be seen, or else I could just use a bigger washer on that nut. But that's how I got those off of there, guys. So this piece here, you know, honestly, I'm gonna save this piece because it might be one day that you might not be able to get these no more, and you could always get this re-chromed. So I hope I'm not a hoarder, but this stuff is becoming so rare that just want to do what you can to preserve these old parts. I'm going by hand first, making sure all of these are loosened up on here. I did strip only one of them out by trying to use the cordless here, but not again. I'll make sure they all break loose first, and then alright, so to stop from trying to mess this plastic up too bad, I'm gonna use a little die grinder. got this where to come out. Don't want to break it. Shouldn't be off of there now. There we go. Alright guys, so the one that was cracked, this actually looks better than the one that came with the new light, but I still, if any of you guys know what kind of paint they use inside on this gray, and then they had the black. So I want to do this all back the way it is, because for some reason, trust me, these engineers knew what they was doing. So they did this a certain way, even though it's red in there, that black, it's all done for a reason, because on this side, even though the cover covers all of this up, this got a reflector in there that makes that light look a certain way. Then on this other side, they got, it's red back there, but they got that white clear in there, and don't really come through on the other side, but with the light it might do, it's for something. So if any of you guys know what the color paint that they use in here, please let me know. And look, there's my #1 son.
Your only son.
You're my only son.
Only son. Oh, you got a grandson though now.
Oh, okay. All right. Man, this thing ain't, the light ain't even coming on where we can see. There we go. My only son. Well, you're my #1 son. Alright guys, so see how this is all, like, I'm gonna wipe on this, okay, without the polish. Just wanted to come in and show you how this Blue Magic metal polish works. So come in. Call it a night, and I'm gonna go inside and I'll polish both of these lights up, both sides, but just wanted to show you how that finish kind of comes back with that Blue Magic polish there that I use. So it's going to take a lot of this tarnish off of here. So I'm gonna go inside and just sit down and do this. Alright guys, so that's how that piece shines up. Clean up pretty good there. Cleans up pretty good there, guys.